Hey, hello again, dudes and dudettes, Due Diligence here. I know, we're pumping out a lot of videos today. Or for you, it would be this morning, for us, it would be tonight. And hopefully, all of our predictions can come true. It's not really predictions, it's just a fundamental analysis sort of theory or guys, just let me know what you guys like. Do you like my weekly prediction stuff that I posted last week, or would you rather see more of this video where I talk about a stock that people are interested in and perhaps some price actions and what are some trading flow actions that people are having based on the chart? For example, let's talk about TRCH. I know a lot of people are asking about TRCH on Wall Street Bet and on some other streamers platform. They were literally talking about it, trying to ask these streamers about their opinions on the stock, and the streamers kind of just dodge the question or whatever. But for me, I'm a very transparent person, as I said before. If you guys want us to help you do some due diligence on any stock, or just want to ask us about our opinions about some stocks, just please leave in a comment, leave the stock ticker in the comment section, and maybe ask some questions. We're there to answer them, okay? And as far as this stock goes, here, so what do you see over here, right? So this is yesterday's price, here is yesterday's price, and here is what happens today. And this is just, this entire thing is what happens. Wait a second. Yeah, here the entire thing is what happens, overnight. You see a lot of price actions overnight, but it doesn't really matter because the overnight market, you see this like huge drop. It doesn't really matter because majority of the volume will happen either in the morning, see a lot of in the morning, and you have a little bit a telltale end at the end of the market. And as how is the trading goes on about Thursday, Thursday morning we established a all-time high at 676. Sorry about the ads. That's what happens when you use a Chinese app. They really like to put ads on it. 676. So you have a upwards, more like a tunnel or range to 676. I doubt we're gonna reach that tomorrow, and we have a lower support line at around 5.3. Okay, fair enough, right? You can see this line going down over here. At the aftermarket trading, it didn't really touch the line. It means we still have very strong belief, or majority of the market still think this is a very fair price to hold it. And as stuff started trading up, and around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 6 o'clock, we're all on PST right now, right? Because we're on the West Coast. And then East Coast, this is when people wakes up. When people wakes up, what they do, they go eat stuff and get some cereals, put some milks in it, and then they look at the market, be like, oh my god, this might be a little bit too high right now, and some hedgies or maybe some retails and just start selling. Oh my god, start selling. Because if you bought at yesterday's dip and you sell it pre-market over here, you still make a profit, no? It's still a range over here, right? And then they keep selling. Oh my god, it's a downward spiral, right? It's just psychology. Psychology 101 is when a lot of people start dumping, right? I mean, in here it's kind of justified because in hindsight, we know that this today, as of the Thursday market. Well, actually, sorry, to correct from before, this is what happens on Wednesday, and this is Thursday. Sorry, because right now it's almost Friday, because it's almost 12 o'clock, and this is Thursday. And the top of the Thursday is $5.6, right? So today when market opened, I was like, this is a very interesting stock. Let's just observe it. And when I see some volume pumping, get a bunch of people dumping, and at the end, I realized, $5, around $5, I see a stronger support at $5. You will see a lot of volume coming in trying to stabilize the stock at $5. That means it have a huge upward potential when it sort of stabilizes in $5, and when you have a lot of buying orders, or you have a lot of in other stocks situation, you have a lot of call options coming in. But in here it's different because this stock you cannot trade options on it. at least on Robinhood, and I haven't checked my Fidelity account. But around $5 line, around this like 4.9 or $5 line, I see a huge upside potential. So I started building a position over here. So this is what I did. I built a position over here, and I just waited. I waited, and here I didn't sell. Because for me, I know it's gonna keep going up because the daily fluctuation for the day is way too much compared to on last night. Yesterday it was all-time high, and then now there's no way from an all-time high a stock went up 20% and all of a sudden it went down by 40%. No, you establish more than one support line in order for a stock to go up by 20%. So then right now I bought it over here, and then I just waited, and it just waited. And to be honest, I actually took a nap during this period of time because I was way too tired, and I just sold it on when it reaches around the top over here, 5.5, and made like maybe a quick $50 profit. And I'll cover my lunch tomorrow, and lunch and dinner, probably lunch, breakfast, and dinner. And as tomorrow's fluctuation goes, my prediction is you will see something interesting here. You see, it's gonna wiggle through the 550 line. And if we actually get a chance to break the 5.7 line, you can probably see an upside all the way until $6. But if not, then it's just gonna drop. Let's just be honest. If you look at the daily chart, where do we have the daily chart? See, we're already significantly higher. The last time we got any price action, right, is about 4.8, and we gapped up to 4.8 right here. Sorry. All right, just like that. So probably our definable risk right here is around from the price range of $5.4 to 4.8. And if this stock drop under 4.8, it's in huge trouble. But right now we don't know yet, and it still have a huge upside here. No, of course. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. All right. Again, at the end of the video, I have to say I am not a financial advisor. We are not financial advisors. We do not give financial advices, okay? Everything on this channel is for shits and giggles only and for entertainment purposes only. And remember, guys, please, please, please smash that like button so that we can beat the YouTube algorithm, so that more and more people get to see our content. Because if you've been following us from the beginning, you know our content is super useful and my predictions are usually right. So far, it's probably 100%. And I know it's not really a humble thing to say, but you guys know I'm a very real person, and the reason why I'm even pushing videos out is not because I want to make money on Google, on YouTube. It's because I really want you guys to understand what really is going on in the stock market. And perhaps, let's just hope 99% of you will make money because you listened and look at my content. And hopefully that will be true. And guys, guess what? I think this is the last one I'm going to pump out for tonight. And see you on the upside tomorrow.